Welcome. In front of me I have Ulefone Armor 3W, and today I'll show you how easy you can clean your USB-C charging port. So at the first we have the prepared thin object, something like that. You can also use any other household item. And right now I will zoom to show you how it looks. It will be very fast and very easy. But you know, sometimes people cannot make it by yourself, so at the first you have to open this cover. It protects our port from the water. And when you take a look closer, you can spot here some kind of the mess. So let's put this object right here and then move it slowly to don't break anything. As you can see here, we got some kind of the dust. And another one, and also something is right here. Okay, I will zoom a little bit. Okay, I think that something is still here. Yeah, definitely something is here. And as you can see here, we got it. And just take a look one more time. And as you can see right now, it looks really good, right? So, as you can see, that's how we can clean your USB-C charging port in the Ulefone Armor 3W. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!